Standard 8, Subject General Science. I am Kumar Sir here, and video number 19.01. Lesson number 19, Life Cycle of Stars. म्हणजे ताऱ्यांची जीवनयात्रा. Before we start learn about life cycle of star, in previous lecture study about ecosystem. In this ecosystem, it means that biotic and abiotic factor interaction between of them is called as ecosystem. Ecosystem, it totally is known as biomes. Earth, Earth itself a vast ecosystem. Two types of biomes are found on the Earth. First is land biomes, and second is aquatic biomes. Land biomes also divided into two parts: grassland ecosystems and second evergreen forest. In this evergreen forest, national park, Gir Forest in state Gujarat, study about in previous lecture. And second thing is that aquatic ecosystems. There are mainly three types. First is as fresh water ecosystem, म्हणजे गोड्या पाण्यातील. सेकंड मरीन इकोसिस्टम. नंबर 3 creek ecosystem. Then human activity responsible for deforestation of ecosystem. First is increase in population. Second, अर्बनायझेशन म्हणजे शहरीकरण. थर्ड, इंडस्ट्रियलायझेशन अँड ट्रॅफिक म्हणजे औद्योगिकरण आणि ट्रॅफिकची समस्या. टुरिझम, पर्यटन. देन लार्ज डॅम्स in previous lecture, and last is wars. Now study about lesson number 19, life cycle of stars. Before start, you know that we have learned about the structure of the universe in earlier standard. म्हणजे विश्वाचे अंतरंग आपण मागील lectureमध्ये जाणून घेतलेले आहे. In this chapter, study about first properties of stars. Second point is that birth of stars, stability of stars, evolution of stars, and end stage of stars. Now, first question to you ask, what is a galaxy? Galaxy म्हणजे दीर्घिका म्हणजेच काय, की ज्याला आपण आकाशगंगा असे संबोधतो. व्हॉट इज गॅलेक्सी? क्वेश्चन, व्हॉट इज गॅलेक्सी? Your question mark here. Now, answer is that a systems of billions of stars. Here, billions of stars. Abjavadi. Billions means Abjavadi. Stars, their planetary systems and interstellar clouds of gas and dust held together by gravitational attraction is called as galaxy. Interstellar cloud means त्याला संबोधले जाते आंतरतारकीय मेघ. डस्ट म्हणजेच त्याला आपण म्हणतो धुलीकण किंवा त्यांचा भाग जो असेल त्यामध्ये समावेश होतो. म्हणजे सांगायचं तात्पर्य असं की अशी ही गॅलेक्सी तयार होत असते. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज दॅट हिअर, व्हॉट आर द डिफरंट कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट्स ऑफ अवर सोलर सिस्टम्स? Here, constituents of solar system म्हणजे आपल्या सूर्यमालेत कोणकोणते घटक आहेत. फर्स्ट, सन इज स्टार, इज a star. Second, 8 planet. Namely Mercury. Second, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. of this: Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are made up of rock and minerals. Rocks and minerals. But here Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune are made up of gases. Second, natural satellite of some planet revolving around the respective planet. Asteroids located between Mars and Jupiter. Comes made up of ice, dust, and gases. Meteors and meteoroids. Question number 3 is like that. What are the major difference between a star and planet? म्हणजे तारे आणि ग्रह यामधील प्रमुख फरक कोणते? Here, nuclear atomic explosion regularly take place at the center of star. This causes of discharge of heat and light, hence stars shine. Planets do not discharge any light. They are visual due to the light reflected by them. Here, mean that star and planet he produce heat and light, but planet reflected light reflected there. Now second thing, star are very big in size and massive relative planet. Star twinkle, planet do not. Stars are made up of hydrogen, helium, and other light elements. Planets are made up of solid, liquid, or gaseous substance, or a combination of therefore. Question number 4 is that what is a satellite? उपग्रह म्हणजे काय? And answer is that an astronomical object orbiting a planet is called as a satellite. And then now question number 5 is that which is the star nearest to us? Star nearest to us म्हणजे आपल्या सर्वात जवळ असलेला तारा कोणता? The star nearest to us. The star nearest to us is the sun. Sun म्हणजे सूर्य. Again, we have learned about the structure of the universe in early standard. Our solar system is situated in a galaxy. A galaxy is a collection of brilliance of stars. Collection of brilliance of stars. Their planetary systems and interstellar cloud which are present in the empty space between stars. म्हणजे एम्प्टी रिकाम्या जागामध्ये असणार बघ. द युनिवर्स इज मेड अप ऑफ युनिव्हरेबल सच ॲज गॅलेक्सीज. गॅलेक्सीज डिफर इन स्ट्रक्चर अँड शेप. वी कॅन डिवाइड them into 3 types. First is spiral. Second, elliptical and irregularly galaxy. There are three types. Here, elliptical, and third is irregular. Okay. Galaxy differ in structure and shape. We can divide into three types: spiral, elliptical, irregular galaxy. Our galaxy is spiral galaxy. Our galaxy is spiral galaxy are called as the Milky Way and मॅडकिनी. म्हणजे त्यालाच चक्राकार किंवा मंदाकिनी त्याला असं संबोधलं मंदाकिनी. स्पायरल जे असेल त्याला मंदाकिनी. Spiral galaxy is shown in figure like this. This is spiral galaxy. Show a spiral galaxy. Our solar system is situated at a similar galaxy. म्हणजे ती एक प्रकारे चक्राकारची आहे, त्यालाच नाव दिलेलं आहे मंदाकिनी, मिल्की वे. ओके. Again one question here. How did we obtain all this information about the universe? म्हणजे विश्वाबद्दल सगळी माहिती आपण कशी मिळवली? तर ड्यू टू बाय हर्बल telescope and Chandra's telescope. Some are situated in Earth and in space. If you took the sky at night, we see only planet and stars. And then how did we get information about other component of the universe? The answer to the question is telescope. Here answer is telescope. म्हणजे आपल्याला जी माहिती मिळते ती कोणापासून मिळते? टेलिस्कोपमुळे. टेलिस्कोप. Several telescopes are placed on the surface of the Earth, while some others are kept aboard man-made satellites which are orbiting the Earth in fixed orbit. As this telescope is situated above the Earth's atmosphere, they can observe astronomical objects more effectively. Astronomers study the observation made by all these telescopes to obtain detailed information about the universe. We are going to learn about all this in higher standard. Here, let us learn about the properties of the stars and their life cycle, namely as Hubble. And second telescope is Chandra. Favorite astronomer. At night we can see about 4,000 stars with our naked eye. Sun is an ordinary star among them. The reason to call Sun an ordinary star is that even though it appears to be larger than all other stars in the sky because of its being nearest to us, there are billions of stars which have higher or lower mass, size and temperature than those of the Sun. आपण जो स्टार बघतो, सूर्य बघतो, त्यापेक्षा खूप प्रचंड आकारात कमी जास्त वस्तुमानाचे याहीपेक्षा मोठे स्टार आहेत. स्टार आर gigantic sphere of hot gas. Gigantic sphere. Sphere. Some property of the Sun is given in the table. Hydrogen makes up 72% of the mass of the Sun. Mass of the Sun, hydrogen. Sun percentage is 72. Hydrogen. And second, helium. 26%. द रेस्ट इज 2%. उरलेले 2% वस्तुमान हेलियमपेक्षा अधिक अनुक्रमांक असलेले. इज मेड अप ऑफ एलिमेंट्स हेवियर दॅन हेलियम. रेस्ट 2%. Property of the sun. Here property of the sun, mass near about 2 into 10 raised to 30 किलोग्रॅम. 10 raised to 30 म्हणजे एकावरती 30 शून्य गुणिले 2. देन रेडियस नियर अबाउट 69570 किलोमीटर. रेडियस 6,95,700 किलोमीटर. सरफेस ऑफ टेम्परेचर नियर अबाउट केल्विन 5800 Kelvin. Temperature at the surface of the center 1.5 multiple 10 raised to 7 Kelvin. And age near about 4.5 into 10 raised to 9 year. म्हणजे एवढं त्या पृथ्वी स्टारचं म्हणजे सूर्याचं वय आहे. 4.5 अब्जावधीपेक्षा जास्त. एकावरती या ठिकाणी 9 शून्य असणार आहेत. देन इन दिस वे द इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग इज दॅट दिस मीन्स दॅट द masses of the other star measured with respect to mass of the sun. Mass of the sun is written as capital M. It means that mass, and right down below sun. Compared to M sun to other stars measured with respect to the mass of the sun. Okay, the mass of the sun is about 3.3 lakh times that of the earth, and its radius is 100 times of that the earth. Other stars has mass between 1/10 here m sun upon 10 that of the sun, and 100 times of that the sun m 100 m sun surya, and their radii can between radius 1/10 to 1000 times the radius of the sun. Look at the picture. Here white dwarf sun, super giant stars, red giant stars, a comparison of size of different stars. Thank you to watching to all everybody. Welcome again. The age of the sun and other stars, which is the time elapsed after their formation, can be between a few million years of a few billions years. If the property of the sun and change in its lifetimes, it would have caused changes in the property of the earth and in the life of the earth. Detailed studies of the property of the earth have led scientists to conclude that properties of the sun have remained unchanged over its lifetime, that is the past 4.5 billion years. According to the study made by astronomers, this property will slowly change in further after 4.5 billions. नंतर वातावरणामध्ये बदल होणार आहे तो 4.5 वर्षानंतरच होणार आहे. नेक्स्ट पॉईंट इज दॅट बर्थ ऑफ स्टार इन नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ. रियल लाईफ सायकल ऑफ स्टार्स, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सन्स.